Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're going to see how to see or view Apple ID password on your iPhone. If your iPhone has ever autofilled your Apple ID login, there is a good chance the password is stored in your keychain, and here's how to find it. Firstly, open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Passwords. You may need to unlock with Face ID or your passcode. Use the search bar and type Apple ID. Tap the entry that matches your Apple ID email, and then your saved password will appear under the password section. And this only works if your password was saved previously. If not, it won't show up here. It's a simple and secure method that saves you from having to reset your password if it's already stored. If you want, I can show you more. Thank you guys for watching, and tune into the channel and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.